Now let's insert a 3-column section, just like just like this. To the left, let's insert the site title. Because I do not have the site logo, if you have logo, then use the site logo widget. Then the menu widget in the middle, alignment to the right. Okay, then button widget to the here, make it justified or align middle. Okay, that just works fine, justified. Okay, and here go to the section setting, make this align vertical middle, align and then at the center middle. Then go to this nav widget style typography. Let's reduce the size to about 16 and font weight to about 400, or if it is too thin, go to 500. Okay, just fine. Here for this button, let's link this to registration, register or sign up. Okay, link to registration page, student registration page. Okay, and actually I was planning to add this registration button as a part of the navigation menu, but I remember that this menu widget, Elementor name menu widget, does not have the option to design the button without adding custom CSS. So to avoid the adding custom CSS, let's add it. Let's design it using the button widget itself. So go to the menu in the appearance, then remove this registration. Okay, from the menu now. Okay, update it or publish it. And when you publish or update, you have to make sure the display condition is it exactly what you want. I'm setting this display condition for the entire website. This header will be visible to entire website, not just the home page or any specific page. So if you want to set this header that you are designing for a specific page, you have to make sure here you add new conditions like this. Choose, for example, singular, and singular this will be visible only for those posts category or like that. But this is entire website. Okay, save and close. Sign up. And button, I think I want to increase the button size a little, small to medium. Okay, this work fine. So let's add hover to this button. Hover colors, background colors should be black, just like this. That's fine. And if you want to have hover animation, it should be grow. Okay, just like that. And if you want to make this header sticky, then you go up to the set the section setting, advanced, then motion effects, sticky to the top. Okay, sticky to the top. Is it sticky for all desktop, tablet, mobile, or is it sticky for only desktop, you have to set it here. If you want to make this sticky for only desktop, then you have to remove this tablet and mobile by clicking like this. Okay. But I will make this response sticky for all screen sizes, so leave the default. And if okay, when do you want to this sticky effect that text action, or when do you want to take it effect? So scroll down. After scrolling down about 100 pixels. Okay, then go to responsive. Let's see how it looks in on mobile screen. That's not what I want. What I want is make this 70% and make this 30%. Okay, like this. And leave this to 100% like this. Or if you want to hide this on mobile screen, you can also hide it. Oh yeah, something here, it is in background is currently transparent, the section background. So let's go to section setting. Let's add the background color. Okay, to avoid embarrassment on sticky header. Yeah, that's fine. And for the tablet, yeah, it does not look good. Okay, so go to this sticky here, sorry, this navigation widget and toggle button. Here, the toggle button align right, make it align right. And here, let's increase the width for this about, let's choose about 30% width for this here logo. And for this one, leave to about 40, and this one 30. Okay, like this. I think it just works just fine. And here I think there is to be an option for changing the this hamburger menu toggle button. There is no. Yeah, this is why I do not like this Elementor Pro navigation widget. I don't know why they are not making any changes to this widget. Yeah, this widget has not been changed, I think, for many long time. So they have added a lot of features, new features, but they have fixed a lot of bugs. But still, I think they need to work on the existing widgets. Okay, this is it for the tablet. Update it. Now we have optimized this header for desktop, tablet and mobile, make it responsive for different screen sizes. And yes, we are done with the header. And next we can design the footer. Let's go back to the dashboard. Okay, we are done with the header, so let's go to the theme builder here, or here at add new template again for the footer. And let's call it footer. Wow, I think I missed something. Yeah, here I think we need to go to the theme builder. Here is no option to select the template, so leave this. Yeah, my mistake. Add new here. Yeah, that's better. Footer, then let's call it footer, create template. Footer. So yeah, I'm a fan of minimalistic header and footer. So if you're in this design, I will not add footer widgets. If you want to have footer widgets, don't forget to leave a comment below, and yeah, I will make a video how to add the footer widgets here. To avoid all these distractions, there's wow. Yeah, what I want to do was change the page template to layout, but yeah, I'm still in the habit of designing the header and footer with the HBB plugin. So yeah, since we do not have that option to here to column with that to column section, padding about 150 to the top, 150 to the bottom, and background color black. Then here copyright. Oh, once again, yeah, this copyright they do not have the copyright with that in Elementor Pro. That's in HBB with the plugin again. So let's use this heading widget p tag and copy swimmer courses ppt designed with Elementor. Okay, style here change to white, man font weight is too okay. So cell icons here. Right column alignment, and these two widgets are not aligned, so go to section setting, layout, vertical align, middle. Okay, now they are aligned at the center. Okay, this You can leave this as default, this default colors, or you can change the color, some color, for example primary color, transparent, and what color like this, size about 20. I think it works fine. And icon hover, we can use this color from the big color history. Here we have this yellow color, Control V. And black. Okay, like this. And what about responsive? This is for tablet and it looks little congested, so let's do typography, increase the line height a little. So yeah, about 1.5 is fine, I think. Yeah, okay. And for mobile, make it center align for the mobile. Same here, make it center align, just like this. Okay, just work fine. I think this header will cover occupied little space in a mobile screen, so either you choose to hide this sign off or just keep the default. Publish this. This footer is also for the entire website, so condition entire website, save and close. And let's go to the front page and let's check it out. Here it is. And seriously, we need to change the template for this page and all. We need to redesign this courses page. This is auto-generated default page. There is no much about margin and padding here. Here it does not look good, so at least even we do not change the layout, other layout for this widget, the courses, we need to add at least padding at the top and the bottom. It looks too congested. Okay, that's it for this video. In this video we have designed a header and footer. As I have mentioned before, if you want to have any make changes, if you have any different types of header you want to design for this courses website, don't hesitate to leave a comment below, and I will make a video about the version that you want to design. For example, here you may want to add a few photo widgets, or here you may want to have different layout for in the header, so we can do it. We can do different versions of this header and footer. Just comment what you want and I will make the video. So okay, and don't hesitate to leave your feedbacks, comments, like this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. See you in the next episode.